Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove or crop all the white space or white margin from this PDF file using IS PDF editor. Select this pages option and this right side option. You will find this crop option, click here and drag your mouse cursor, select any crop box. Now double click on this crop box and simply select here remove white margin option and see this, selecting this only content option and select here page range 1 from 6 to 5 all pages and simply select OK and see this, all of these pages now cropped and all the white margin now remove and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.